In almost every industry, abrasion and wear are serious problems. So what's the best solution? Norton Paco Industrial Ceramics, a division of Saint-Gobain, the leader in wear-resistant technologies. Together, we sell solutions like Durafrax, Zac and CoreGuard, silicon carbide products, wear-resistant compounds, and Rokide. The Rokide ceramic spray system solves wear problems like no other product in the world. The process is simple, but the results are spectacular. Rokide coatings last 5 to 10 times longer than other ceramic coatings, while the price of the system is far less than the competition. The patented Rokide products, both the spray units and the rods, are produced at the Norton Paco facility in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, where many other ceramic wear products are made. Now let's take a good look at Rokide, the most effective and affordable ceramic spray system on the market. With a Rokide unit, you can produce a coating that is much harder and far more resistant to wear and abrasion than metals, even other ceramic coatings. Increased wear resistance means a much longer lifespan for your components, which also reduces costly downtime. Rokide is also more heat resistant when used as a thermal barrier coating. In aerospace applications, for example, it can protect metals and other substrate materials against temperatures up to 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,500 degrees centigrade. With Rokide, you can insulate parts for electrical applications, apply excellent reaction barrier coatings, and even repair worn parts on site. You can also save money by replacing costly substrate materials like Hastelloy with a less expensive material like tool steel coated with Rokide. As for the Rokide unit itself, it's clearly the most cost-effective system on the market. The initial cost of the equipment is far below the price of the leading powder system, while the Rokide coating is far superior. And with Rokide, there's less waste. The deposition rate for most Rokide materials approaches 75%. Compare that to the deposit efficiency of powder systems, typically below 50%. That means over half the powder ends up on the floor or out the exhaust. Rokide systems also cost less to install, operate, and maintain. And Rokide is one of the easiest systems to operate. Unlike the competition, there are no complicated controls. It's simply a matter of light, point, and shoot. The unit is also more portable and easy to set up for short runs or machine-mounted operations. And it all comes with an easy-to-understand manual, a handy troubleshooting guide, and even a video to show you exactly how it's done. Of course, support is always available by phone, fax, email, or personal visit if required. Now here's how it all works. You start with an oxygen and acetylene flame at a temperature of 5,200 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,880 degrees centigrade. Then a rod is moved through the flame and melted. Compressed air then projects the molten particles at 550 feet, or 170 meters per second, onto a substrate. And here's a key factor. Rokide particles cannot leave the spray unit until they are fully molten. The result is an even coating with a very tight microstructure, as shown in this photo. With powder systems, not every particle sprayed is in the same molten state. As you can see, the microstructure of the powder system is not as consistent. In abrasion wear tests, here's how much the plasma powder coatings wore away. And here's Rokide C and Rokide MBC. At the same time, you can easily grind Rokide coatings to excellent surface finishes using standard silicon carbide or diamond grinding wheels. Flat surfaces can be polished to within 3 helium light bands, while cylindrical shapes can be super finished within 2 to 4 micro-inches. The choice of rod materials is application-driven. The Rokide system uses a variety of rods, 3 different diameters, and 14 different compositions, with many new compositions in development. These chrome oxide rods are ideal for wear resistance, while these aluminum oxide rods and zirconium oxide rods are used for their electrical and thermal properties. Rod diameters, camber, and straightness are tightly controlled, and the entire manufacturing process is certified to ISO 9001 standards. Every step, too, from raw materials to final testing, is documented to ensure traceability. The Rokide spray units are also produced with the same high standards in Latrobe. And the quality doesn't stop with production. When it comes to sales and service, you can count on Norton Paco for the best. For example, shipping is consistently 100% on time. Quotations and orders are processed as quickly. And anytime you call customer service with a question or concern about any aspect of the Rokide system, you'll find a trained and eager staff member ready and willing to help. So call Norton Paco today and learn more about the many ways Rokide can solve the wear problems in your industry.